What up, guys? Well, I'm just fucking excited, guys. I'm just fucking excited for real. I just got my package from illadelph Technologies. I'm fucking just got it for our illadelph wand or whatever how you want to call it. Our wand. So let's check that out. There you go, guys. Here we have our wand. Let's freaking unbox it, guys. I've been waiting for this package like to be honest, like 3 days. Only 3 days, guys. Let me open with my car keys. That would be so hard to do, but I think we can do it. So yeah, guys, what I wanted to tell you guys is that this package, some of my favorite package, because if you guys know, the wand is so good. There. The wand is really good, guys. It's like vaporizer in your bong. Vaporizer in your bong. So that's pretty sick. We got illadelph Technologies stuff. From Aqua. You know. And so big. Everything came here. Like just for a wand. Look, guys, just for a wand. So anything else is in here? Yeah, so we've been waiting for this unboxing 3 days. Here it is, guys. Let's just see. What is it? And then we can find out. Yes, guys, I want to say please thank you guys for all my 9,000 subscribers and reaching more. I really appreciate that. I mean, that's why I'm getting lots of unboxing, guys. That's why I'm getting lots of unboxing, guys, for all of you, because right now I just reached 9,000 like a few weeks ago, I think. I'm just kidding, like last week ago. I mean, that's way too much. Sweet. Look at that. illadelph Rasta logo. Pretty sweet. You see, there's like covering glass, and look, this one looks just incredible. No bubblers at all. Wow, I'm really surprised. So yeah, guys, this is what we came up with some good stuff, quality glass. And just let me know what you guys think on this unboxing. I'm in the next video. The next video is gonna be I think unboxing video or smoked out video, smoke session. So that means the next video is gonna be the sick one. The next video is gonna be the real one. Unboxing video, bong coming, or smoked out session with this baby. I mean, this is just a beast. So just let me know what you guys think, and I keep you guys in the next video. I have, like, to be honest, I have 3 stuff coming. I have more now. I added another one besides this, so that will be 4 total. I have 2 bunks coming, and I have one more stuff coming for the Ash Catcher with Star. So you wanna check that out. Stay for more videos and keep watching, guys. Peace and power, everybody.